One, two, three, four. Welcome to Teardown Therapy. In today's episode we have muscle stimulation, ABS trainer, EMS training machine, abdominal belt, exercise machine, toner, portable body, gym, fitness training gear for human beings. Let's explain it shortly. Beautiful graphics that you can see on screen are explaining how brain communicates with the muscle. It sends signal and you can flex your muscle. So if we are not using brain, if we are using this device, you are sending same neural pathways to carry particular signal, and EMS stands for electrical muscle stimulation. When you place the device and silicone or plastic pads are placed on the muscles, the frequency mimic the brain signals telling your muscle to contract. Okay, that is short explanation, so let's start with the older one. It has very nice silver bag. It's so nice. Okay, with this old one, it's using a small tablet battery, and it is easily removed from the pouch or silicone pads, or I don't know, is it silicone or just a rubber pads that sends signals to muscles. So I'm trying here to cut down the sewing line. As you can see, I'm starting carefully because I don't know is there wire or something underneath, so I don't want to damage it. I want to see what's inside, what's on the other side before damaging it. As you can see, there are two leads that goes to the device that sends signals, and there is a double-sided tape with the tape on other side. And don't understand, is this just bad quality check or something, but nothing interesting on this side. I mean, it's just so basic. So after removing or dismantling the fabric part, let's open up this pulse sending device. This is a little bit older one, and it is more basic one, so there is no a lot of programs or options to send different signals to your muscles. As you can see, there is just a small PCB board in it, and it is very easily removed. Small screen and board. As you can see, few elements that sense this high frequency signal. So let's open a little bit newer model one. It's separated by the wire, and it takes more power, 4.5 volts to be powered on. Both these devices are not working once, so I'm opening out of curiosity. Few screws is removed. As you can see, there is also a PCB board, but let's see what's on the other side. Okay, it's zooming. Plastic screen is zooming. Interesting. Oh, what I want to see is difference in the board. The last one had a few elements, and this one has more push buttons, more programs, more signal patterns. So there is a lot of more components on it. I think this board will be very interesting to learn SMD soldering or desoldering, so I will keep it. There is 4 wire cord going to the fabric pouch. So what I'm thinking is to open this one like last one, to see is there anything more in this one, newer one. So it's basically the same. There are rubber pads, and there are contacts leading to that rubber pads. That rubber pads send signal to the nerves in your muscle. Those are working in pairs. First and third, and second and fourth are engaged at the same time. I am opening just the pad, and yes, it's just a wire melted to the rubber inside. Nothing special, but it was very interesting. I wanted to see how does exercise EMS device works. And that's it. Curiosity satisfied. A very simple device of questionable efficiency on muscles. Thanks for watching. See you at next one.